To Kansas City. It's a really long drive. Yes, sir. You're like really big fans of WKwarriors. Just like, Frosty got the mouth. Oh my gosh, it's WKwarriors. That would be the stupidest lie ever. Now, comment if you really think that. Search it on Google, Winnie. Search it. We learned a lesson today.
Oh my gosh.
Don't ever spray water in baby's eyes.
Seriously, it's like he was so mad. Look at him.
That's it. Oh, vampire. Yep. Hi.
We're listening to my iPod.
Yep. I'm playing super useless superpowers. Do you want to hear mine?
Okay, let's listen to yours.
Alright.
Okay, get it.
Well, we'll talk to you guys later.
Yeah, we're just gonna be doing this until we have. Let's see.
We have an hour left.
We have an hour left.
Bye.
Bye. 7 minutes.
No digging through
She just
toilet.
spazzed out. Watch her.
Hey, it's too close.
No digging through toilet! Exclamation mark! Exclamation!
We don't need to answer all that.
Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark! Exclamation mark!
There's only 2.
Just like I do.
I do not. I've never dug through a toilet in my life. My mom made me clean a toilet once. That was nasty.
I had to do that too. It wasn't that nasty because I ate cookies.
Okay. It's just new half blood t-shirts.
Yeah, but
We don't buy puppies online. Don't do it.
it's bad. You did. Oh, look what they did to the
Fee.
Oh my god.
That's me. I snore. We are going to see The Lost and Found.
See, all the kids went to bed, so we get it like to ourselves. We should start dancing. Raise your hands up in the air. Get those slaying knife things from Magic Quest.
The wands?
Yeah.
Up in the Magic Quest store. Should we check it out?
Do I have to pay for it?
We're going to go say bye. Goodbye, people of the earth who love us.
We constantly say bye, but like we're gonna actually find the lost and found.
Yeah, but we'll...
Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, you missed it. No, you didn't miss it. They have these things on the back.
Goodbye. Those are rocks. Goodbye, people.